What's up guys, so I've been testing the replacement phone from backmarket, the S20 Ultra Samsung. So far I have €15 credit. Don't have to worry about the minutes or the data used because previously it was using up that balance. So I'm just going to click OK, go into settings, connections, mobile networks. Data roaming is on, then auto connect 5G if I have it, and I'm going to go to YouTube. Reject. I just play one of my recent videos. Be working. There we go.
Today we are looking at how to spoof your location it is at your own. Let's do this. Loads of click conversion, and it is very bad. There was a breath of
let me try a different video. Yeah, so videos work. So let me just check. Let me check if it used any credit. So it didn't use any credit. See there? €15 still there. So it's working fine. Yeah, thanks to backmarket for sorting this problem out. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.